Okay, let's wrap up 6.3 in this video. Tickets to a band concert cost $5 for adults, $3 for teenagers, and $2 for preteens. 570 people attended the concert, and the total cost of the tickets was $1,950. 3/4 as many teenagers attended as preteens. How many of each group attended the concert? So we have people. We'll call adults X, teenagers Y, and preteens Z. X plus Y plus Z, we know, was 570. Money was $19.50, so $5 for an adult, $3 for a teenager, and $2 for a preteen is $19.50. Lastly, said 3/4 as many teenagers attended as preteens. Okay, so that means teenagers is 3/4 of preteens. So that means Y is 3/4 of Z. We also may look at that as 4Y equals 3Z, or 4Y minus 3Z equals 0. Any of these is fine. Now, we have an equation missing X. We would like to get an equation missing X from these other two. To do that, I need a negative 5X here. So negative 5 times equation 1 is negative 5X minus 5Y minus 5Z is, what's negative 2850? We have 5X plus 3Y plus 2Z is 1950. When I add them, I get negative 2Y minus 3Z is, it's like negative 900. I'm going to flip those. 2Y plus 3Z equals positive 900. Again, this will line up nicely with my previous equation. I'm going to add 3. 4Y minus 3Z equals 0, which means 6Y equals 900, so Y is 150. Now I can solve this for the other one. 4 times 150 equals 3Z. 600 equals 3Z, so Z is 200. Here I can plug in to find X. X plus 150 plus 200 is 570. X plus 350 is 570. So X is 220 by subtracting the 350 to the other side. What does this mean? Who attended the concert? 220 A is adults, or X is adults. Y was teenagers, 150 teenagers. And then 200 preteens. The first time I ever taught this problem, this is when the infamous Cardi B discussion took place, when I asked what kind of concert would have this kind of demographic breakdown. Somebody threw out Cardi B, and another student sadly did not know who Cardi B was, so we had to explain who Cardi B was. And then somehow her previous occupation came up. It was an interesting conversation. We're also going to do number 4. Not because I think I'll ever use number 4, but it is a tricky question on the homework. 1 cup of chicken noodle soup has 100 calories, 490 milligrams of sodium, and 7 grams of protein. 1 cup of chicken and rice soup has 130, 730, and 9 respectively. And rotini soup is 110, 610, and 6 respectively. How many cups of each kind of soup should be mixed together to produce 10 servings that each provide 122 calories, 647 grams of sodium, and 8 grams of protein? And how many cups are in each serving? Okay, so we have our 3 different categories. Calories, so we'll call chicken noodle X, chicken and rice Y, and chicken rotini Z. So for calories, it's 100X plus 130Y plus 110Z. To make 10 servings at 122 calories each, 10 times 122 is 1220. This reduces to 10x plus 13y plus 11z equals 122. Do it with the milligrams of sodium. It's 490 plus x plus 730y plus 610z equals 6470. Again, everything will divide by 10, like we did in this equation. So we'll have 49x plus 73y plus 61z equals 647. I'm not going to divide everything by 10 for the protein. I'm just going to do the total protein because, again, it's 7x plus 9y plus 60. These don't divide by 10, so I'm not going to divide them by 10. 8 times 10 for a total of 80 grams of protein. Okay, so let's talk about which of these is going to be easiest to mess with. I think equation 2 dictates what we use, only because it has the ugliest numbers to work with. And for sure, the 49 and the 7, because we have to use 2 in at least one combination. The 49 and the 7 make the most sense, so maybe we eliminate x using 2 and 3, and then 1 and 3. So if we do negative 7 times equation 3 plus equation 2, be negative 49x minus 63y minus 42z equals negative 560. Add it to 49x plus 73y plus 61z plus 647 to get 10y plus 19z equals 87. Okay, so I eliminated x there. I have to eliminate x again. We'll do it between 1 and 3 because I don't really want to mess with equation 2 anymore. So we'll do negative 10 times equation 3 plus, that'll be negative 70. So I need plus 7 times equation 1. So this is negative 70x minus 90y minus 60z equals negative 800. And then we've got 70x plus 91y plus 77z equals 700 plus 154, so 854. We're going to get y plus 17z equals 54. Obviously here we want to combine, this is equation 5. I want to get rid of the y, so that would make the most sense to me. So we're going to take negative 10 times equation 5 here. So negative y, or negative 10y, plus 107, or minus 170z, excuse me, equals negative 540, plus equation 4 that we got here, 10y plus 19z, it's 87. To get rid of y, negative 151z equals negative 453. Luckily, we divide by negative 151 to get a nice round. Z is 3. I can plug that back in. Y plus 17 times 3 is 54. So y plus 51 is 54, so y is 3 as well. Plug those back in to get x. 7x plus 9 times 3 plus 6 times 3 equals 80. 7x plus 27 plus 18 is 80. That's 45, so 7x is 35. X is 5. Okay, so that means 5 cups chicken noodle, 3 cups chicken and rice, 3 cups chicken rotini. Now that makes 10 servings. So that's 11 cups to make 10 servings. So how much is in each serving? It'd be 11 tenths, or 1 1/10 cups per serving. The problem's really complicated on the homework, so I feel like doing one together is important. But that is all for 6.3.